Welcome to Drive Topper. So we have here MYP Math Criterion B. First question. The mode is indicated in each of the following sets of data. You study each data set and figure out how to determine its mode and hence write down the rule to find the mode. So as we can see, actually the mode is something which tells us what values are we most likely to find when we sample a set of data. So every time a mode is a value, if you look at the data, the maximum number of times the number that occurs, like here it is 8 which occurs twice, so that is the mode. 10 occurs thrice, the maximum number of times, so that is the mode. So what is the general rule to find out the mode? We would say the number that appears, the number of or the observation that appears the maximum number of times, that is your mode. So the rule is simply to find the number that appears the maximum number of times is your modal value.